Good day everyone, it's Kelly Sonda. Welcome to this live video. Okay, so basically this is actually will I say, yeah, it's basically the first live, right? This is the first live. Okay, I'm going on YouTube, you understand? So basically I want to be showing you guys how I'll be taking the trades today on my $200k funded account, that is FTMO anyway. So before then, I would like to actually play with the options I'm seeing here. So if I click on settings, okay, mic, okay, and I don't really know if you guys are hearing me actually. So, but like without further ado, I'll be diving into the video, right? I'll be diving into the video currently. So I can see I can actually turn on my camera, but like I will not be testing that yet. So let me move over to USD card. Let me move over to USD card. Okay, I can see one watching. Okay, so moving over to USD card right here. So this is from the weekly time frame, right? So as you can see, this is from the weekly time frame. Yeah, so what did I actually do? Let me bring this over here. So you go to your tools, bring out your horizontal array, you mark out the highs, which is this, you mark out the structural highs and structural low. And overall you can see that it looks like, on the weekly time frame, an uptrend, right? Because from here something like this is going up, you understand, an uptrend. But like immediate, you can see a higher high, but this broke structure lower, fell to break high, fell to break lower, broke lower. So overall you are seeing a market. This is a weekly time frame, remember, but like we are seeing a market, we like say market, some shift in market structure and change of character, and overall it's literally ranging, right? Literally ranging, but it broke out higher right here. So now trying to actually you know, will I say move higher now? But believe me, what I'm looking out for, I'm just like, this is still analysis phase. I don't really have anything I'm looking out for currently on USD card. Yeah, so basically that is that for now. So let me drop down to the daily. I don't know if I should put this line, but it's of no use. Like it's totally of no use, but like my trading view is failing to show me my deleting option. That is, by the way, it's like I'll have to update the app sooner. So moving down to the daily time frame. Okay, daily, you can see the clear price action. But before that, let me move over to my MT5 to show you guys the account. Look, as you can see over here, this is the 200k funded account, right? So this is the 200k funded account. So I took a trade, that was yesterday. Let me use last week. So I took a trade yesterday just to make 20 pips, just testing out the account. And you can see the profit, 190 195 $995 $1,995 was made on this account. USD, right? I would have been looking for buys on Euro USD, but like it's not like clearer, yeah. So I prefer trading USD cards today. So let me click on chart. So this clicking on chart, right? So I want the chart to load up on USD card. So as you can see, this is the chart on USD card. This is the 5 minutes time frame. Price is literally pushing down. So this is the 15 minutes time frame. Price pushing down. 30 minutes time frame. Price pushing down. And let's check the time. This is 12:58. I'll be entering during New York Open. That is 1:30. But I might literally just place a trade now. Although I know that during New York Open, what will price do? Price will literally give me better entry on New York Open, right? So let's leave it at the 1 hour time frame. So I don't know, I'll be closing this now, or let me just keep it by the side also. Let me keep it by the side. Yeah, it won't actually block. I don't know if I can resize this. I literally want to resize it, but like, okay, let's leave it here. Okay, let's leave it here. Yeah. So basically, let me shift this way. This will come this way. Yeah, cool. So now basically, we are looking at USDCAD. This is on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, what can you literally see? You can see price. Will I say from here? Price from this price broke structure higher, right? Then coming down, breaking lower, and literally there is a break of structure here lower currently. Let me show you guys that this is from the daily time frame, or let's dive into the 4 hour so that you see everything clearly. So this is the 4 hour time frame right here, so you see everything clearly. There is this break right here. Actually there was a break higher, recently. So overall you should also have that in mind. Look at it here. This break, although this is not a major structure, but like this break here, then also seeing price failing to break this, because I want to see price actually breaking this particular one up here, this particular level up here. I want to see price breaking it, or price coming up to that level, so I can actually what sell. Checking my other USD card analysis, let me show you guys something right here. So checking my other USD card analysis. Okay, USD card, I guess it's this one. It's not really loading up. I don't know why. This might look scattered for those that don't understand what is going on. You understand? So basically, from this aspect, price is actually in a strong region, right? So if we see a rejection on this particular zone, then price trying to push up higher, break structure and keep going up, then we'll be looking for buys. But now looking at the daily candle, what is the likely daily expansion? Although there was a bullish move, then this bearish move actually feeding some imbalances, right? Then this bullish move again, but thereby creating a weak. But believe me, price literally broke higher on the daily time frame. Look at this candle, price broke higher. So you just you expect price to what actually feel, maybe say half of this previous day candle, then you can start buying from there. You understand? So that is literally what I'm actually waiting to play out, right? So it's either I literally wait for price to go up here higher, at least this zone, then I will now sell, right? You don't really know, you have to actually will I say wait for the market to act, then you now react. So literally if I see price coming back up here, right, so I will actually take a shot to actually what fill the half of the can, because me literally selling from here now, you can see it's halfway already. So I just want to see that pullback up here so that I will start selling from there. You understand? So that is just that basically. Or going back to the daily. Oh, this is actually a bit longer than I expected. Or going back to the daily, as you can see, going back to the daily, you actually what buying from here, place a buy from here because it broke structure. But like you have to actually watch it, be careful. But overall, I believe that the sell is what is gonna likely play out today. You understand? The sell is what is gonna likely play out today, and we'll keep watching, by the way. So like for now I will be taking a trade because I told you guys I'll be placing a trade. So I'll just look for literally what is, and as you can see, the market is not really making any major moves today, right? And it's consolidating at that strong region. Then if you are to sell basically, but this should be our TP1, right? But like I know that price will definitely retrace up first before selling. You understand? Let me show you guys. So I know that price is gonna actually what retrace up to this level or so before selling. You understand? Or break this high. Once price breaks this high, you understand? Once price breaks this high, then I'll wait for a small pullback, maybe at this level. Then I'll not keep buying to go higher. So that is literally what I'm actually watching out for. I don't really want to take a buy or sell at this particular point now, because you don't actually know. It's not like you don't actually know the price is heading, but it's better you wait for the market to act first before you react. And besides, this is not actually New York section or anything, so you don't really expect much volatility. You understand? And as you can see, price actually ranged, went low, broke higher. You understand? Came back low, tested this strong zone. This is a strong zone also over here. Although these black ones have been drawn, this is just basically distraction. But like that's why I prefer using the other clear chart to show you guys. But I know many people will not be understanding what I'm saying right there. So currently this low should be in watch. If price actually breaks this low first, this particular low, if price breaks it, if you see price breaking this low, what are you going to wait for? Then you wait for price to actually, all this I'm teaching is just clear price action. It's not really in depth or anything, you understand? This is just clear. And if you're not understanding this clear price action I'm talking about, I don't really know. Maybe you have to contact me or check the links below or links on my previous video, or I'll be adding links to this video by the way, because I've not really added any links, right? I did not add any links to it. So price breaking lower here, you expect a pullback. Once you see that pullback, maybe around here or anywhere, okay, maybe you are seeing a fair value gap right here. So like price going back here, then what are you going to do from there? You now place your, excuse me, so you place your sell order, right? So from here you actually place your sell order, then expecting price to, where is my markup to, line, using an indicator. So expecting price to go low, and this should be your TP1 around 1.2828, and TP2 right here, TP3 right here. So they are basically clear liquidity pools to target, right? You can see them right here. They are clear zones to target lower than higher, because you're looking at higher now, this is a clear rejection. Price broke down, broke structure, broke down, pushed up. So although we are trying to see a shift, but like overall it haven't broke this high. Let me highlight the highs for you guys so that you can see. So overall price haven't actually broke this structural high. It's either you take this, because this is a week, this is a long week, or you take it from here, you understand? So without price actually taking out that level, this high level here, you just have to, keep looking for sales. And what should be your target? All these lows, or even the long-term trend line, you understand? Or even the long-term trend line, because I was talking about it in the other video, but like I'm not looking at trend line, don't quote me wrong, like it's not what I'm looking at. I just place it. It's not like it's necessary or what I'm looking out for to literally place my trades or anything. No, it's just there for like being there, you understand? Yeah, so that is just it. And overall you can see the market is ranging, and in its ranging zone now, let me show you guys. In its ranging zone currently, you can see that this point is actually a high for a sell, right? These are equal highs. And this is, will I call it a strong, for those called trading support and resistance? So you might say it's your strong resistance zone or anything, but like that is literally it. Okay, so as market is ranging, it makes things more easier. As you can see, price is actually dropping. Let's go down to the 1 hour time frame. So as it's ranging, it makes everything more easy and clear. So sometimes you'll be waiting for price to literally pull back, but like you will not see it. So you just preferably you enter straight. But let me actually measure if the pullback is worth waiting for, right? So from this particular place, price is to this place around 53 pips actually. Wait, my two correct? Let me check. I'm not sure it's up to that. Maybe 5.3 pips from here to here. This is 24 pips. I'm not exact. I want to be exact. Okay. So from here to here, at least here, around 30 pips. So basically 30 pips is large actually. Yeah, it's large. Depending on your lot size. You understand? Depending on your lot size, it's large. So it's worth waiting for. Don't be in a rush to enter the market, right? You don't really have to be in a rush. So basically I would have loved to place a trade from here, but like it's preferable I just wait for price to go up there, you understand? Then I place my sell, sorry, yeah, my sell. Basically I'll place my sell trade But provided that I know that price is going to go up to that region, you understand? This is a buy. Provided I know that price is going to go up to that region and is a good 35 pips from where price is currently, you understand? So I might actually be risking just here, because I know price this price is finding it difficult to actually break this low, but I think it is gonna break this low before going up, right? But in the aspect of that, this forex trading, you have to risk something to get something, right? So I can actually feel comfortable risking will I say 14 pips literally, right? Because it's an uptrend. Price broke higher. Let me show you guys. So removing everything or removing every doubt, right? You can see here from here to here, this is a break in market structure. So price broke higher. I'm trying to make my life straight. So this is a break in market structure. No need of typing. You should actually understand what I'm saying. Okay. So, but in essence, when you see price actually breaking this low, that's why I said you have to just wait for confirmations or anything. If price should break this low now, you know that there is a change in market structure. You understand? So what are you going to wait for? You wait for price to literally what? Price to move up at least here, then you now place your sell. You now place your sell to actually target lower. You understand? So you place your cells to target lower. So that is basically what I'm talking about. But provided that I know that price is literally in an uptrend, I want to follow the trend, right? I'll just have to buy at any given point or at any place. And what is the time? This is 12:15. I would have loved to wait for 1:30, but for this video, I just want to, like, it's not like I have what I'm risking in, like I have what I want to risk in mind. So where will our stop loss be? Basically our stop loss is around this place. Our stop loss is here, 1.28740, 1.28740, 1.29235. So 1.28740. So we're buying USD currently. It's not a financial advice, okay? So don't really like join me to place the trades, okay? Don't really join me. You're taking your own risk. You understand? You're buying with me is basically taking your what? Own risk. It's my account, so I'm willing to risk what I'm actually placing now. That's what I'm willing to risk, okay? So it's not advised you actually what? Join me in it. I want to set my stop loss. I guess you have to go to the MT5 app straight from here. So this is the MT5 app. So what was our stop loss then? Our stop loss was around, where's my this thing is now literally coming up. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So 1.1.27. Let me check well again. So what is this? What is this? What is this? This is 1.2740, 28740. 1.28740. That is risking 14 pips to get what? Oh, sorry guys. 1.28740. Where's my MT5? MT5, yeah. Modify. Trading view. Then our profit target is, where is our profit target? Our profit target is literally not loading. Okay, yeah. What is our profit target? Profit target is 1.29240. That is 35 pips. 1.29240. So if you want to see 1.29240, yeah. So basically, if you want to see the outcome of these trades after everything, do well to join our channel. And believe me, this is not one of my perfect entries or anything. Yeah, it's not really one of my perfect entries or like perfect trades. It's just basically for the purpose of this video, I'm just willing to risk my account to take this trade. Normally I use 15 lot, but like because of the stuff, I'm literally using 5 lots. You understand? So I don't really know if we'll be watching the trade. So basically we'll have to go to, let's remove our NT5. I'll open it later. Let me remove this. So let's go over to the 5-minute time frame to watch what price is literally doing. Let me rotate my screen again. So basically we entered right here, right? So let's just say it's here. So this is the 5 minutes time frame, and you can see price moving the 5 minutes time frame. I can literally draw out my MT5. Let me check if I'll bring it out on a mini window. Here. So let's choose the 1 minute time frame here. So the price is also moving right here. So I'll be placing this. Let me keep this here so that it will not block our trade. So that's that. Price is literally trying to move. So we'll be watching that. So price is literally pushing up now. Profit $3. So that is basically live trading, right? So basically, I've actually thought why I placed this buy. If you don't really understand me or know why I'm placing this buy currently and trying to risk this, and this is a 2:3 risk to reward, right? 2:3 risk to reward, and this is great. You understand? TP1 should be around here. This should be your TP1. 1.290075. Just say 1.2900 should be your TP1. You understand? Then this should be your TP2. So as you watch the trades run, overall, basically, I didn't wait for confirmation to buy or sell, just from immediate market structure. But from immediate market structure, you can also see that price literally broke lower here. So believe me, it's just like it's called, we are trading a retracement, right? Because we know that the retracement is imminent and New York session is coming. So it's basically a retracement that we are literally trading currently. You understand? So once the retracement is done, we are out. Then this is not actually the main trade. The main trade is sales. I'm looking for sell from that zone, this zone up here. You understand? So that is just it. So basically this is my first life, and I don't really expect it to be that great, but like from the second or subsequent ones, I know it will be really, really great. I just want to be taking a screenshot. Let me take another screenshot of the live. And because it's the first live, you can see nobody's really watching you. Sometimes when you're starting great things in life, you don't expect people to watch you. You just have to keep moving, right? Because you know that one day you get to your destination. And as you can see, it's literally moving currently. Let's move out to the 5-minute time frame. So basically, you just have to, in the 1 minute time frame, is very noisy, and as beginners, if you're looking at it, you'll be like, whoa, it's coming back to my entry. What is happening? But sometimes it's best once your analysis is great. You understand? Once your analysis is great, nothing is stopping you. You're literally good to go. Once your analysis is great. So anybody placing this buy trades with me literally should, I don't know, should be seeing blues currently. So this is the 5 minutes time frame. Let's go. And what is the time? This look like some minutes to 1. That is 8 a.m. EST, but 1 p.m. GST. This is the 30 minutes time frame, and this is the 1 hour time frame. I also have another account I want to place these trades on. That is my MT4, but like it's moving already. So if I see price coming back small, I'll go. Okay, let me play the trade. This is also a 20k funded account. Let me place the trade right here. Okay, market order. I'll be using this is a 20k, so I'll just be using 1.5 lot, 1.50 1.50 buy, done. So I want to set my take profit and stop loss, but like when you're in this mode, you don't actually like set it properly. So I'll be rotating right now so that as you can see we're in profit already, but like this is just a beginning. How will I put it? Let me open my MT4, man. Okay, edit. So our stop loss is 1.28740. Our TP is 1.292. Let's just say 200. So as you can see, price is literally trying to explode currently. So basically, that is that. For those that actually, you can see my entry right here. Let me rotate my screen. So this is MT4 and you can see my entry. Okay. I don't even know how to exit this mode. But that is by the way. Let's move to our trading view to see what is going on. So this is our trading view, and as you can see, price is literally moving in our way, right? So some days are like that, you understand? Yeah, why did I take this buy? Basically because I know that I have a clear target where I want price to reach before selling, you understand? And sometimes it can happen very fast if you can't, like, if you don't exit quickly, you get wrecked. So basically sometimes that is the way it's been done. As you can see, price is literally just ranging currently. Yeah, for those that really stack, maybe it's opportunity to stack up your trades. So still watching it from here. We're in negative right now. Can only decide to wait for it to go lower to where I want it to and still place my buy. Overall, I'm risking what I want to lose. So that is the main purpose. Make sure you're risking what you want to lose, right? When you're risking what you want to lose, you have no need to fear. Basically, normally I'll be adding trades to this, like I'll be adding more trades currently because I know it to go, but no, it is not advisable. Once you have done your analysis, even if price is going, don't add to your losses. Stand, no, it is of no use. And believe me, this is not a perfect entry or anything. So that is just it. So you can literally keep watching price, keep doing this way. And why you're seeing greater losses here is basically because this is a big lot size, right? This is a big lot size. So that is why it's like this. It's not like I'm trading small lots. And currently losing the amount is nothing to the account, to your $200,000 account. Is this account I'm actually watching properly? So as you can see here, we're losing 40 something dollars, 50 something, 49. So that is literally the way. Okay, this is 1 o'clock. This is just a 1 o'clock, maybe forming the low of the day for us to push higher. So maybe the low of the day is being formed currently for us to push higher, or we just keep going lower. But once I see price break this low, I might not wait for it to reach my stop loss. I will exit, like, because that is what I've been waiting for. Although if it reaches that low, it will pull back. Maybe once it pull back to our entry, you understand, to give me an exit, then I will leave, right? So overall, now I will not lose much in the trade, because yeah, risk to reward matters a lot. So this low, basically, once price breaks here, no need of waiting for price to reach my stop loss, because like I know it will definitely do. So that is it. But believe me, the downside is lesser than the what's upside, though. That is why it's called risk to reward. You have something you're actually wanting to lose. So keep watching. Let's move out to the 1 hour time frame to see what is happening. Okay, literally in the 1 hour time frame, you can see what is happening. And believe me, this trade, I actually forced this trade because of what I'm doing a video. So sometimes while trading is a personal game, right? You don't really need distractions or like something to make you take actions you don't really want to, take. But I'm taking it anyway because it's literally nothing. Although I know it's bad. You understand? So let's keep watching. Let me go over to the 4-hour time frame. Okay, yeah. And I don't want this video to be more than 30 minutes. This is 30 minutes already. So like basically this is the first live. So I don't know. Maybe I'll be stopping here for now. Right? Or should I just wait for extra 30 minutes? No, I don't really think so. I don't really think so. So as you can see, people be like, this would have been a perfect entry for a sell. So once price literally breaks that structural low I'm seeing right here, marked. But before that, let's keep watching. Let's keep watching to see what price do. Although this low is actually even a clear zone for price to go to. That low is a clear liquidity pool. So basically, if I see price here, I will buy, right? This is a clear liquidity pool for price to reach. But it's just basically that I was aiming for a retracement, right? And when you're aiming for a retracement, it's not really guaranteed that a retracement will happen. You understand? So that is why patience is actually, you know, advice in this game. Assuming I waited patiently now, I would have been taking entries from there. But like since I did not wait patiently, we still want to see price go lower. If it is our stop loss, great. But the main thing is having knowledge, knowing what you're doing in the trading market, and taking losses is not really a bad thing. You learn from it. So what caused this loss now? Basically impatient, right? You understand? This is impatient and actually trying to force a trade from nowhere. So that is basically what is happening right here. And it's cool basically because I know some people don't even know what the problem is, right? And also even before price, like price literally broke this low now, as you can see. But like viewing the lower time frame sometimes it's noisy, right? It's very very noisy. But like if price haven't reached where you want it, believe me, if you are risking anything, you just have to like will I say confident, like you're comfortable with your losses or anything you're actually willing to lose. Many people they place trades without being comfortable with what they want to do. So that is why they'll be psychologically or emotionally attached to the trades they place. Seriously, I don't really want to make this video long, but like I know it will be long because if I'm waiting for this to enter profits, it will be long. Maybe I will do another video showing you guys the outcome, right, of the trades that we took during the live. If it is stop loss or anything, or what I actually did, you understand, or like I'll show you guys the overview of the trade. Or do well to join my Telegram channel, right? Do well to join my Telegram. I'll be posting the updates there. Okay, so do well to join my Telegram basically because this is I love this type of trade. It's sweet trade, but I know that this low will be reached, this green line will actually be reached before going up. That is just for sure. That's just what I know because it's all about experience. So let me look at EU and see what Euro USD is trading. So Euro USD is trying to push up. So if Euro USD is going up, that one is probably gonna be going lower. So like USDCAD is generally gonna go lower. But like let's see, let's watch. I have a stop loss. So but some volatility, you just have to be careful. Some volatility with forex trading, for even your stop loss cannot actually protect you from that. Your stop loss can't protect you. So we'll keep watching. So this from the daily. I remember when I was talking, I was saying I want price to reach half of this candle before we start buying, but we are buying early. So maybe we'll be closing out now. Or let's price hit our stop loss. Let's see. Right? You can see this is the sell aspect of it, waiting for price to reach here, right? Before we start selling. But I wanted price to take out these lows that I marked out there. Then once price take out the lows, then we'll see it up here, then we'll now sell. but like we are selling from here currently, but I'm priced slightly below these lows around here, and this is a strong zone actually. So let's just watch and see what price does overall. So just keep watching anyway. Keep watching. I don't really know. I'm not seeing your comments. I don't know how to view you guys' comments. Maybe I'll see your own opinion, or if you have been on the trade, what you would have done, right? So I'm not seeing your comments currently, or maybe because I'm not using my PC. So this is the 5 minute time frame. Well, overall, sometimes it's advised once you place a trade, you just stop looking at the chart, because some people they get anxious sometimes while trading. They just keep looking at the chart to see what price is doing. But what would have been the best way to enter this buy is waiting for price to take out this high, this particular high, like price going up, taking it out, then wait for small retracement, maybe to this low or anything, then you start buying. Believe me, this buy is not a confirmation entry, and it's not basically my trading style or anything, but I'm just taking the trades, as I said, for the purpose of the video to post on YouTube. And maybe I'll be putting this video on private after today. Yeah. So let me go back to my MT5. Let me check MT4. So let's keep watching. Let's keep watching. Or I'll just be ending it right here, so that I'll be giving you guys updates sooner, right? Bye bye.